In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create an Evernote account in just a few minutes, whether you're using a desktop computer or the web. If you're new to Evernote, this is the perfect place to start, because once your account is set up, you can begin organizing notes, saving ideas, and building a simple system to keep everything in one place. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to the official Evernote website. Once the page loads, look for the Start for Free option and click it to begin the sign-up process. This will take you to the account creation screen, where Evernote will ask how you plan to use the account. At this point, you can choose whether you're creating Evernote for yourself or for a team. If you're signing up for personal use, select the option that fits an individual account. If you're setting it up for work or collaboration, choose the team option instead. After that, Evernote will give you a few different ways to create your account. You can continue with Google, continue with Apple, or continue with email. If you want the fastest setup, using Google or Apple is usually the easiest because it can connect your account automatically. But if you prefer to keep things separate, or you don't want to use a connected login, the email option works perfectly too. If you choose to sign up with email, enter your email address into the field provided, then create a strong password for your Evernote account. Make sure your password is something secure that you can remember, and if possible, use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Once your information is entered, click Create Account or Continue, depending on the button shown on your screen. Evernote may then ask you to confirm your email address. If that happens, open your inbox and look for the verification email from Evernote. Click the verification link inside that message to confirm your account and finish the setup. If you don't see the email right away, check your spam, promotions, or junk folder just in case it was filtered there. After verification, Evernote will complete the sign-up process and bring you into your new account. From there, you can start exploring the dashboard, creating your first note, and setting up your workspace the way you want. That's all there is to it. You've now successfully created your Evernote account, and you're ready to start using it to capture ideas, save important information, and stay organized. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials.